This is how to create a page resource or a web page resource within Moodle. So I've got my editing still turned on, as you can see by the editing tools. I'm going to hit add an activity or resource. I'm going to scroll down and find page, hit add. Now it looks very similar to some of the previous ones we've been doing. Again, we've got to just fill in the asterisk item, so we give it a name, and the name would be whatever the content of the page is going to be about. So we'll say uh, equation reading for 1-7-15. So we're expecting, the students to read some kind of content that we placed right on the page of this Moodle for this particular night. And again, the description is completely optional. You could say something like read the text and then write a one-page paper about it, or complete the worksheet, or whatever the case might be. So if we want that to display, though, we've got to make sure we check that box. The page content, this is typically where you would then have much more than what a label would be. A label could do similar types of things, just it's typically much smaller amount of content. So one of the things we might do here is if we have a Word or a PDF document already created, and I've got a PDF sitting back here, we might say, well, we want the students to read this particular passage from this PDF, so I'm just going to grab this content just like this. I'm going to do my right click and copy and give it a second, and now if I go ahead and minimize that, I could go ahead and paste that right into my box here. It loses a little bit of the formatting, but that'd be easy enough to fix. So at this point, there's really not much else I need to make changes on here. So I'm going to just do a save and return to course so you can see what it looks like. And so on the body of your Moodle course itself, it just shows whatever it was that you titled the page to be. It showed me the description, and when I click on it then, it takes me still right within my Moodle course itself to basically another page within the Moodle. And I can use the breadcrumb trails here to go right back to my main page, or I could use my back button on my browser to do that. But it's kind of like taking you to another website, but really the website is within your course itself. Okay, so again, if you've got content already done, but you don't really want to give them the Word document or the PDF, because we'll show you how to do that in a minute. If you just want part of it, you could just paste that into a page like this, and it's simple as that.